Hello friends, today again we are here with the new energetic water to be prepared. You can look, I have put the vessel, and in vessel there is round about 1 liter of water, and look at all the ingredients that we have taken. This is green elaichi, cardamom, this is haldi, this is cinnamon stick, this is black pepper, this is ajwain, this is cloves, this is methi seeds, this is ginger, this is some of the dark chocolates, this is honey, this is lemongrass, tulsi leaves, beet, mint leaves, fresh mint leaves it is, lemon, orange, yeah, of course, some of the few light and love with us. This is black salt. All these ingredients I have gathered. Now what I am going to do? Just do one thing. Take the knife and cut the beet pieces and put it into the water. But this much is enough. Put few mint leaves inside it. After that, green tea you can say, or you can say the lemongrass. You can look here the lemongrass. Then whole of the orange. This is properly washed with the vinegar water. Whole of the orange I am putting in the water along with its peel. Then you have to take the ginger. Ginger is nicely washed, and here I am crushing the ginger. You can hear the noise, you can hear the voice of it. And these two men, they are sitting and looking at my kada, the energy drink that I am preparing. Now I have put the ginger inside the water. Now the time to put some of the tulsi leaves. Now you have to take a small half spoon. You can see here. You can see here the half spoon of haldi, turmeric powder. Simmer the gas. The half spoon of ajwain, cardamom seeds. How many cloves I have taken? 4 to 5 cloves. How many black pepper I have taken? 4 to 5 black pepper. How many methi seeds? A very little methi seeds, because that will add to your immunity system. That I have taken. Plus 2 green elaichi as it is I am putting in the water. Now let this water get boiled and boiled till it turns to be half. If you want to make it for your children, yeah, don't forget they like some chocolatey taste, so you can put 2 dark chocolates balls that even elders can also have it. So everything I have put in it. Once again, The cinnamon stick is remaining. Either you can put it in the form of the water, or you can break it. See how much I'm putting, this much only. Cinnamon stick, mint, beet, tulsi leaves, lemongrass, ginger, methi seeds, loving, cloves, black pepper, haldi powder, everything I have put. Now let this water get lot of boil and boil till it turns out to be half. Now when this water is boiling, at that time what do you have to do? What I told you, you have to chant the mantra. Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. This is the most energetic water I am preparing for me and my family. By taking this water, the immunity system of my family is enhancing. All the 5 elements of the earth, of the heaven, are in this water. This is the divine water. This is the divine water that I am preparing. This is the divine water I am preparing. This whole water has such a quality that it boosts up the immunity system to maximum level. And along with it, lots of love and light that is coming out from the candles. All the ingredients you can see. Now when this water get cold, you have boiled the water, keep on boiling, keep on boiling. Now when it boils, just I have switch off the gas stove and let it get cool. After that, what I'm going to do it, I'm going to take the glass jar. At present, we need everything to be washed in a very good way. This I have washed it, and I'm going to strain it in the jar. I have already strained it in the jar. Keep it for 5 minutes as it is. After that, you can add honey in this water and sip by sip, take it with lot of love and light. Thank you very much. Love you all.